Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of PowerApps. So today's show we are going to discuss switch statement in PowerApps. So switch function is also a part of logical function in PowerApps. The switch function is the function evaluate a single expression against a list of possible match values and execute the corresponding result. What does it mean? Here is a syntax switch formula to evaluate match values result 1 match values 2 result 2 default result value. What does it mean? If suppose we are providing any value over here, okay, the value, if the value will match with this value, then it will return this result. It will skip all the data, all the statement, all the matches value. If this formula to evaluate value will match by this value, it will return this result. If both value will not match, if both value will not be matched, then in that case this statement will return the default value. Like if this value is not going to be matched with this value, either this value, then it will return this default value. How it work? You can see here evaluate the formula. This evaluate the formula. Then compare it with each match value in order. In order. First it will match with this, then with this one, then the third one, then fourth one, and then by default this one. So it is saying if it is matches, return the corresponding result. If no match, return the default result last parameter. This one. Example is here. If suppose this item dot priority dot value, this is our, see here my first line, formula to evaluate the formula. So this is the formula text, this item dot priority dot value. If this will give us the result as a critical, then this color will return by this switch statement. If high, then it will return this value. If rejected, then it will return this value. We have not provided here the default value. The default value example is here. If parity value is critical, then you have full access. If manager, then you have limited access. If user, you have basic access. If not matching anything, then it will return access denied. Let me move on make.powerapps.com, Power Apps Studio, and on this application we are working in my last video. So for this, what I will do, I will add a button control. So this is my not classical control, this is modern control actually. I will copy this one, you know, this statement I will copy, but here the this value is going to be changed actually, so let me copy and paste. Okay, so if I will copy and paste on a font color, it is giving the error because this is not correct. We have to put like this, okay. So and that's the reason I have already modified it, and I will copy it from here and I will paste over here. See, so now switch text this item dot priority dot value. So this item dot priority dot value, what the result it is showing to us, let me show you. It will showing this item dot priority dot value. So right now if you will see, we are getting this color and we have changed also. Okay, so let me show you. By default this button will be look like this. I'll show you. I will just remove this formula. See here, this will look like this: normal, critical, high, normal, low, critical, high. Now see the magic. If I will change my color code, okay, I change this, and then I will change this primary to a outline, and then for this outline also I will go for a border, go for a solid, make it a 3, and for this border color I will change again the same color. See here. Now we can see a different kind of button or different kind of button experience. This button looks very good, very impressive. So this is the real life example, real world example in the project how we can use switch statement. Now if you want, you need to provide, you know, like this, this statement in a label. Okay, so suppose what I will do, I will go here. I will here we have in critical manager user and access. If suppose these roles are available for us, then if we want to provide a label on the header, if critical, then you will have full access, you have limited access. So these label, whenever you will log in, you will see these label over here. So this is how a switch statement will work. I hope you love everything. You understand everything in this example. If you are not able to understand, comment me. I will reply over there. Here are use cases. We have defined display message based on status, styling, color. Both the things we have applied on Visual Studio. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then please subscribe my channel, because we are going to create a new video where we will make a difference between if statement and switch statement. Thank you and bye bye.